Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for all your needs. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care with an amazing product that has garnered attention for its benefits in combating hair loss and promoting growth. The MAMAEARTH Onion Shampoo for hair growth and loss control. Onion oil has long been known for its potent benefits in stimulating hair growth, and MAMAEARTH has harnessed the power of this natural ingredient in their shampoo. Packed with onion oil, it nourishes the scalp, stimulates blood circulation, and helps promote new hair growth, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to combat hair fall. If you're dealing with thinning hair or excessive shedding, this shampoo can help reduce hair fall by strengthening hair roots and replenishing your scalp with essential nutrients. What makes MAMAEARTH Onion Shampoo even more effective is its inclusion of plant keratin, a natural ingredient that strengthens the hair and prevents damage. This shampoo is designed to give your hair that extra boost of moisture, making it softer and more manageable. Whether your hair is frizzy, dry, or chemically treated, this shampoo works wonders in restoring moisture without weighing your hair down. It leaves the hair feeling smooth and soft, giving it a healthier look and feel. In addition to these great ingredients, MAMAEARTH Onion Shampoo is completely free from sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, and dyes, making it a safe choice for daily use. It is formulated with natural, toxin-free ingredients, ensuring that you're treating your hair to the best possible care without harmful chemicals. The benefits of this shampoo extend beyond just hair growth. It also prevents the damage caused by frequent washing, keeping your hair strong and resilient. It's gentle enough for all hair types, including colored and chemically treated hair, so you can trust it to cleanse and restore your hair without any harmful effects. So if you're looking for a product that supports healthy hair growth, fights hair fall, and leaves your hair feeling nourished and soft, MAMAEARTH Onion Shampoo is the perfect addition to your hair care routine. Make it a part of your hair care regimen and watch your hair transform with consistent use. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, take care of your hair, and we'll see you in the next video.